Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom, and today we're going to be unboxing two cool 2021 Hot Wheels. Got the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. These are from the Then and Now series, number 4 of 10. This is the gray one, the recolor, the red one, the first color. These are 129 of 250 for 2021, both on USA cards. And the Then and Now series is a series of 10 cars, 5 different kinds, and then we got the new counterpart and the old counterparts. And let's see, the newest one is GTC 67 from N-Case. And this one is GTB 35 from Case F. And Then and Now is cars from the past and present. Can you collect all 5 pairs? Well, I am happy to say that I've collected all 5 pairs. And I will give you a little tour of it eventually, if you ask me, because I'll probably forget. So these are the now versions of the Mazda Miata. And this is the then version, based off of the 1990s one. This is actually a treasure hunt. I opened it previously on the channel. Very cool casting indeed. Alright, I'm gonna get started with red and then go to gray, because I always unbox the older one first. There we are. Now we're gonna give the red one a spin on the wheels. Oh, we got some good spinning wheels on this one. These are 10 spokes. Those rear ones spin forever. Nice. And I'll give you a comparison of the then and the now version for 2021. There we are. Top one is a treasure hunt. Here's your look at the red one with white 10-spoke wheels, white stripe, Mazda on the side with a white logo, so red and white. And that nice red color. It's like a slight metal flake in there. Look at that painted logo. That's way off the casting, as you can see. That's way off. Well, you never know what you're going to get with these $1 cars. We do have, it appears to be their slightly painted headlights. Well, I don't know what they're called actually. Offset white stripe. That's on purpose, obviously. Here's the back of it. Nothing painted on the back, but nice spoiler. Look at the interior there. The driving is on the opposite side of the United States, so it's on the right side. It's a metal flake gray on the inside. That's pretty fancy. Good castings. Loving them. The first edition came out in 2016, and I'll put an image on screen of the first one. It was pretty similar to this one. This one has a black plastic base. Not a lot of glue in that rivet, which is pretty cool. Alright, this is more like a matte gray. And we got unbelievably awesome spinning wheels. This time, both of them spin independently, as you can see. I am loving that. Loving the black one here. It's got blacked out 10-spoke wheels this time. And white again. Reminds me of Zamac versions, but this is not a Zamac. This clearly has metal flake gray, matte gray paint. And once again, the logo's way off, but whatever. Got the stripe, kind of like makes the paint shiny around the stripe. That's pretty cool. And these lights are painted. Back of it. Side again. Interior. Same color, interior. Same color base as well, plastic base. Both these vehicles are made in Malaysia. Which one do you like better? Personally, oh boy, this is a very difficult decision. For looks, I'm gonna have to go with red. It's slightly cooler. Got my scale here. We're actually gonna weigh these vehicles. See how much they weigh. We'll go with red first. Give it a second to balance. Alright. And what do we got? 1.069. So around average weight. Let's go with gray. Sometimes they weigh different. 1.073 ounces. So yeah, they weigh very similar to each other. They're 99-cent cars, so they're definitely gonna weigh a little bit different. I don't know how that works, but it just does. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would help me out a lot. And, as always, peace.